Good afternoon, ma'am, and all my dear friends. Today we would like to discuss our findings on impact of Industry 4.0 on job market. Our group name is Igniters. I would like to quickly introduce me and my team. I am Bhargav Belsare and my team members are
Hello, I am Shubham Nanavare.
I am Ketan Wankhede.
I am Surya Kumar Dwivedi.
I am Veera Shivaji Dasari.
And I am Nemish Jain.
so the contents we will be covering today are Introduction to Industry 4.0. What is the job market? Welcome to the fourth industrial revolution. Impact of impact of industry 4.0 on the future of work. Benefits of adopting an industry 4.0 model. And the last one is pros and cons of industry 4.0. Let us first understand what this term industry 4.0 means. It is a new phase in the industrial revolution that focuses heavily on interconnectivity, automation, machine learning, and real time data. Industry 4.0 is the digital transformation of the manufacturing and production which are related to industrial things and value creation processes. It also referred to as IIoT, that is Industrial Internet of Things. The goal is to enable autonomous decision making processes, monitor assets, and process in real time. Industry 4.0 isn't just about investing in new technology and tools to improve manufacturing efficiency. It's about change the way your entire business operates and grows. So, here we will see in-depth overview on the topic Industry 4.0 and IIoT including transformation on the following. The revolution of industry has revolved around late 70s to till date. There are hundreds of concepts and terms that relates to IIoT and industry. So we know some words and phrases related to it, such as enterprise resource planning, big data, artificial intelligence, M2M, which refers machine to machine communication, machine learning, cloud computing, real time data processing, cyber physical systems. One of the best way to understand concept of smart manufacturing better is to think about how it could be applied to your business. There are three use cases that can help you understand the value of industry 4.0 in the manufacturing operation. First one is supply chain management and optimization. Second one is predictive maintenance and the last one is asset tracking and optimization. There are multiple benefits of adopting Industry 4.0, so we will cover this particular point on brief later. Over to you, Shubham.
Okay, let us understand what is job market. It is a market in which employers search for employees and employees search for jobs. The job market is not a physical place. It is also known as the labor market. The job market can grow or shrink depending on demands for laborers. The job market is a significant component of any economy and is directly tied in with the demand for goods and services. Let us take a short view about fourth industrial revolution. The first industrial revolution happened between the late 70s to 80s. During this period of time, the work was performed by people through the use of water and steam powered engines and other type of machine tools. In the early part of 20th century, the world entered a second industrial revolution with the introduction of steel and use of electricity in factories. Third industrial revolution, starting in the late 1950s, manufacturers began experiencing a shift that pulled less emphasis on analog and mechanical technology and more on digital technology and automation software. In the past few decades, a fourth industrial revolution has emerged, known as Industry 4.0. It takes the emphasis on digital technology from recent decades to a whole new level with the help of interconnectivity through the Internet of Things IoT, access to real-time data and introduction of cyber physical systems. Over to you, Ketan.
Okay, let's talk about impact of future of work. The global labor market is increasingly adopting new technology. New technology makes it easier for companies to automate routine tasks and could disturb the balance between job responsibilities completed by humans and those completed by machines and algorithms. With smart technology becoming more mainstream, we need to consider the impact using this new technology will have on our society and workforce. Day by day, industry become depends new technologies like high-speed mobile internet, AI and automation, the use of big data analytics and cloud technology. A recent study released that nations like UK, Germany, and US, 50% of companies believe that automation will decrease their numbers of full-time staff, and by 2030, robots will replace 800 million workers across the world. The World Economic Forum reports that 38% of business believe AI and automation technology will allow employees to carry out new productivity enhancing jobs, while over 25% of companies think automation will result in the emergence of new roles. Within the near future, we can expect the sea of reduction in the number of full-time staff and manufacturing and agriculture roles, as many of these positions are already being phased out due to increased automation. Organization of Economic Cooperation and Development released a list showing the possibility of roles within specific industries, which are food preparation, construction, cleaning, driving, and agriculture sectors. As the graph shows, roles of food preparation, which is the most, and driving agriculture, that is the least. On the other hand, construction and cleaning runs on equality. Over to you, Shivaji.
Now we are going to discuss about benefit of adopting 4.0 model. When we are coming to benefit, as we know, this version of industry is fully loaded with up-to-date technology such as IoT and cloud computing. Here is changing the computer scenery of manufacturing, exploding and near very sign think related to industry 4.0. Over to Nimesh.
Okay, Shivaji. Here is list of some benefits. First, it makes you more competitive, especially against distributors like Amazon. As companies like Amazon continue to optimize logistics and supply chain management, you need to be investing in technology and solutions that help you improve and optimize your own operation. To stay competitive, you have to have the system and processes in place to allow you to provide the same level of service to your customer and clients that they could be getting from a company like Amazon. Second, it makes you more attractive to the younger workforce. Companies that invest in modern, innovative Industry 4.0 technologies are better positioned to attract and retain new workers. Third, it makes your team stronger and more collaborative. Companies that invest in Industry 4.0 solutions can increase efficiency, boost collaboration between departments, enable predictive and prescriptive analytics, and allow people, including operators, managers, and executives, to more fully leverage real time data and intelligence to make better decisions while managing their day to day responsibilities. Fourth, it allows you to address potential issues before they become big problems. Predictive analytics, real time data, internet connected machinery, and automation can all help you be more proactive when it comes to addressing and solving potential maintenance and supply chain management issues. Fifth, it allows you to trim costs, boost profit, and fuel growth. Industry 4.0 technology help you manage and optimize all aspects of your manufacturing processes and supply chain. It gives you access to real time data and insight you need to make smarter, faster decisions about your business, which can ultimately boost the efficiency and profitability of your entire operation. Over to you, Surya.
Okay. Let's take short view on pros and cons. First is higher productivity. This happens with each industrial revolution, and apparently productivity of each industrial era goes up 50 times over the preceding age. In the next 5 to 10 years, it's estimated that productivity will increase by 5 to 8%. This is mainly because of increased automation. Second is improve quality of life. With new technologies, higher profitability and growth in economics, people's lives as a whole generally get better. With income rising, better health solutions, and overall a higher quality of life. Third is lower barrier to entrepreneurship. We can already see that with new technologies such as 3D printing for prototyping, the barriers between inventors and markets are reduced. Entrepreneurs can now establish their companies and test various products with lower startup cost without the traditional time and cost constraint often encountered with traditional prototyping method. Fourth is increase in operational efficiency. The, the hope of Industry 4.0 is that the next generation of industrial revolution will drive even greater profitability for organizations as they are able to squeeze greater output from the same resource input. Fifth is the uh, growth of markets and new markets. With new technological revolution, new services, products, and software will be needed to support the transformation of organization. This will create entirely new product categories, new jobs, and more. Over to you, Subham.
Okay, as we discuss pros of industry, now let's take a short view about cons. First one is inequality. Manufacturing and industry as a whole continues to rely on humans to enable production. However, with move to digitally connected system, there is a greater need for highly skilled labor, which may unintentionally reduce the need for low skilled labor. Second one is cyber security risk. People, products, and equipment will be increasingly connected to the internet. Although this gives us greater access to data via the cloud, it opens up opportunities for hackers to access networks. Third is high cost. Not only technology is a major cost to consider, but the expertise in enabling the technology to be implemented. Having the know-how in never fields like IoT and AI can lead to major budget constraints, not to mention a lack of understanding among all parties involved. High rate of failure. The difficulty in launching Industry 4.0 initiative is that there is often of lack in direction when it comes to establishing objectives. They are often cross-functional projects with many stakeholders, which can mean projects can become mired in conflicting goals and may simply sputter out. So this concludes the focus of discussion and that brings us to the end. I likely thank you for your time and attention today. Thank you.